Hello everybody, this is Kat with FilesAnywhere, and I'm here today to go over our enhanced drag and drop feature. With our enhanced drag and drop feature, you can move files and folders with just a single click. And to do so, all you have to do is log into your FilesAnywhere account, select the file or folders that you want to move, and then drag them where you want them to go. You can drag them to all files just by clicking and dragging them up to all files. You can drag them within each individual folder, or even look at folders on the left-hand panel and drag them there. You'll see the little moving icon when these items are being moved, and then you will see that they get moved to that location. And that will conclude our video today. For more information, you can visit us at filesanywhere.com, or you can contact us at 1-888-661-6565. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a wonderful day.